guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope all of you are doing really well. So I might look a little weird because I'm not applying kajal, and you guys know how much I love kajal. I do not even step out of the house without my kajal on. And usually when I don't wear it, people are like, what is wrong with you? You're looking sick, because I'm so used to kajal. So today I'm going to do 3 looks using just a kajal, and this kajal is really cool. I've heard a lot about this. This is by Plum. So I'm sure you've seen this kajal a lot. This is the Plum Natur Studio, and it's all day wear kohl kajal. This is what the packaging looks like. I have used a lot of products by Plum, and it's really good. They're vegan. They are they've used all natural products, and this kajal I really wanted to try it from a very long time, and finally I got my hands on this. So I really like the packaging. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going to open this now. So you have to remove this like this. Fancy. Oh, it comes with a sharpener as well. That's so cool. I always wanted a kajal pencil, to come with the sharpener, because you don't usually, you have to look for a sharpener separately. So this is the kajal, and here's the sharpener. Okay, so let's see the benefits of this kajal. So this is paraben free good. I am always looking for products which are paraben free, and it has vitamin E oil. I mean, that's so good for your eyes. And this is 100% vegan, and it doesn't have preservatives. Like, that's so cool. 100% preservative free. That's really cool. Okay, I spoke a lot about this. Now let's just try this first. So I'm gonna open this now. And I love the purple color. It's so cool. So this is a black color kajal, and this is what it looks like. Wow, this is so cool. Nice. I'm just gonna swatch it and show it to you. I just want to see the texture of this. So here we go. Oh my god, it's so smooth. It's so smooth. Wow, this is really cool. Okay guys, so I mean, I already like the texture. It's so smooth, glides on so easily. So I'm gonna do like 3 looks with this kajal. First is gonna be my, you call it like my signature look, because I do this every day. Like, this is my kajal liner kind of a look, which is really cool. So I'm going to show you my first look now. So guys, this is my first look now, and I'm just going to take this kajal by Plum. I'm going to apply it on my waterline. Oh wow, the texture is actually really good. I'm loving it already. So you just do this on your waterline. So this is your basic kajal look. You can just leave it here, but what I do is a little twist. So then I am just gonna make like a wing here, slightly. So it's like this. This is what I do. This is what I wear like every day. It looks a little different. It looks a bit cool. So I'm gonna do the same thing here. Just apply it on your waterline. make a slight wing here. That's it. So this is your first look. So you can just stop here and then just apply a little bit of mascara and then you're good to go. This could be your like everyday look. So you know, this is my literally everyday look. Very easy. Just apply kajal, just lightly, just wing it here, and this is cool. Now I'm going to show you my second look now. So guys, on to my second look. I'm just going to take this kajal by Plum, which I am in love with right now. It's just so nice and smooth. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to make a line here on top of my eyelid. So here we go. This kajal is really, really smooth. Wow. And all you have to do is join it here in the end, and this will give you like a more intense look. Like this is a little more intense if you want, you know, if you want to go out on a party, or you know, even if you want to go to office, you want to look a bit different, you can do this. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Then you just join that line, you wing it, you know, just wing it like this. Okay. So guys, this is your second look. This is a little more intense, as I told you. Now moving on to my third look. So guys, here's my third look. Now I'm just going to take the kajal and apply it all over my eyelid, like so. That's it. Do the same thing on this side. Doesn't need to be perfect. So now all you have to do is take your ring finger, just smudge it like this. And I must say, this kajal doesn't smudge. Like, I'm trying so hard. Wow, this kajal is literally smudge proof. But let me show you my third look. If you can't do it with your finger, you can also take like a earbud. So smudge it gently, doesn't have to be perfect. This is like a rough, smoky look. So do that. Don't be very harsh on your eyelid. But this kajal is actually a bit smudge proof. I mean, I'm trying to smudge. Okay, I think we are almost there. So we're going to do the same thing on this side. That's it, guys. So this is your kind of a smoky look, and I struggled a bit while doing this because this kajal is 100% smudge proof. So guys, these were my 3 looks using by this kajal by Plum. It's amazing. It's 100% vegan. It's smudge proof, and it has vitamin E. I mean, all the good things in one kajal, and you know, it's an all day wear kajal, won't move at all. And you can get this kajal, I put the link down below where you can purchase it from. And guys, if you want any other looks, if you want me to review any products, if you have any questions, any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. And also I'm on Instagram, you know, follow me there. It's called leenagowdaofficial, my account. Follow me there. And also keep liking, keep watching my videos, and keep loving me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.